Hello everyone, welcome back to Best T-shirt Designs. So in this episode I am going to show you how we can upload or where we can upload this kind of AI generated graphics or designs. First of all, I am going to say that Amazon is the best place for uploading this kind of designs, that is merged by Amazon, Redbubble or Teepublic. So if you cannot have a Redbubble account, Teepublic is the best option for you. So I am going to show you where you can upload them. So first of all is this is merged by Amazon. I am not showing you my account details, but if you click on this create option, this is going to bring you to this page. This is where you will upload your design. For the Redbubble, this is also the same way. I am going to click on this add new work. This is going to bring me to this page. For Teepublic, go to upload art from here, and it is going to bring you to this page. So you can upload this one single design to all the marketplaces, but if you are working on merged by Amazon, then I will suggest you should not upload all one design to all the marketplace. Just keep something exclusive for Amazon only. But if you are not working on merged by Amazon, then you can upload on Teepublic, Redbubble, Jazzle, maybe a Spreadshirt or any other print on demand websites. Teepublic is public, it is open for everyone. You can create your account and just start uploading your designs. So first of all is you need to like this, and for this one you need to go to this upload new work and again select your file. For Amazon, first of all I am going to select a product which will be the standard t-shirt, continue, and then you can simply upload your design here and it is going to apply to all the shirts here, but I am going to show you on this one. So here if I click on this upload, this is how it is going to be. So it is going to upload, start uploading, and as you can see, so for Redbubble, let's say this is how it is looking right now. I can change the background color to black because my design is going to look good on a black t-shirt or a black background. So something like this. Now that is good. These are all the products we can upload for this design, and I will cover this area later. So let's edit it and change the color to black so it will look good. Now here we have two options. We can scale our design like this. We can make it smaller or bigger, however I want. Then we can align it horizontally or vertically. I will just keep it something like this. Maybe I can make it a bit more bigger. So everything you are doing, you need to keep in mind that you cannot go out of this box, then that area will not be printed, that will cut out. So this is how it is looking. And for this larger print clothing, is again you can simply select a background color. You can make it smaller or bigger. So let's say I am going to make it something like this. That is fine. I always align product from the top of the canvas, not from the center of it. So I will just align it with the top, make it look like this. And there are all other products, but for this design these products are not really a good choice. Maybe for a graphic tee we can put our design. This is an interesting product for graphic tee. It is like all over print t-shirt, but let's say I want to print it like this. I want to print it in this area, maybe a bit more down. That is good enough, and this is how it is going to look. So that is a good option. For phone case, this is not a good design for phone case, but it is good for a sticker or magnets. Yes, it's not good for mouse and pads. So whatever you don't like, the product you don't like, you can turn them off, and whatever you think it is good, you can keep it. So Max is a good product. For Max I am going to make it smaller like this, align it horizontally and vertically, and then a bit more smaller. You can see the preview here. This is how it is going to look. Apply it. So that is good. I don't want these products. So whatever products you don't want, you can just disable them from here. It is showing enable, but if you click on it, it is going to be disabled. So that is good. Now for this area we have some info. We need to give some information like what is the media type. So this is design and illustration, and you can select another option which will be digital art. You can select digital art or maybe painting and mixed media, but let's select digital art. And you have no collection. If you have any collection, you can select them, but as a new store you will not have any. Is this a mature content? No, there is nothing adult or controversial about this design, so I'll select no. I'll click on this I agree, and that is the next step is publishing the design. So I'm going to write my title, which will be this one. So we can forecast gardening with a chance of wine. So this is my text, this is my design text. I can simply place it here as a title, then gift for gardening lovers. And now the important part is tags. We need to put some tags, and there is a website you can select, you can use this, that is the Redbubble top index, and it gives us tags. So I'm going to type in here gardening, and if I search for tags, it is going to give us some top tags for this gardening niche. It can take some time, and the downside is this website uses a tons of ads, as you can see, but the good side is it gives some good tags for us, like this gardening, garden plants, nature, flower, garden plants. So all of these are just really good tags. So I'm going to copy like 50 tags from the top, and it is copied. I can simply place them here. So you should check whatever tags you are using, if they are not relevant with your design, you should remove them, but that's a long process. I am not going to take that much time. For the description, you can write something about this design. You can simply ask AI to write some description for you. Okay, so as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write me a description and 2 bullet points. What are bullet points? I will show you in a bit. I'm going to copy them, but you should do it on your own. You should do some research, use some keywords in them. But for now, I am going to just use AI, and everything is going to be using AI for this design. So this is our description is done. Title tag is done. Now for this one here. Okay, so whatever products we don't want, I'm going to disable them one more time. So I didn't disable it previously. Tote bags is a good option, but for this one I am not going to keep it. So everything is done, and check all these areas and then save work. This is going to publish our work in Redbubble. So that is the first option you can use. Okay, so as you can see, now our design is published. If I click on this view button, this is going to show this product in this page. This is all the products that you selected. This is the graphic tee, this is the classic tee, active tee, baseball tee. So on everything, it is going to, this is how it is going to look. So as you can see, they are giving us some models. You can download these images and use in your social media to marketing for this design. Anyway, that is the web. And for this Teepublic here, the process is same here. I'm going to weekend forecast. I'm going to take this title from here, copy it here. For the description, I'm going to again copy this one. I'm going to put the description here. For the tags here, I'm going to type in here. If you start typing, it will start showing you. So gardening is our main tag. You need to select a main tag, then it will give you some supported tags like this garden, nature, flower, and all of the text, adventure. And also if you want, you can select like, let's say 15 tags from top, copy it, then place it here, and then press enter. That will place all the tags here. Anyway, so again, this is not a mature content. I'm going to select no, and from here I need to select base color. So this design is made for black color or dark color graphics. So I'm going to select black, or if I select something dark like this brown, it is going to also look good on this brown shirt, maybe navy shirt, royal blue. So anything in dark color will look good, but I am going to use black for now. Again, select one more thing, that is the black and white for baseball tee. This is a design related to wine, so I will not include any kind of kids product in this listing. So I'm turning that off. If you want, you can turn them off, or any product that you don't think it is going to be relevant, you can turn them off. So this is how it is going to look. And for Teepublic, you can simply make it bigger or smaller, however you want. Just place it inside the area, something like this. And from here it is selecting all the colors. You can, if you want, you can deselect some of these colors, because this design is not going to look good on this kind of lighter colors. Maybe you can simply just click on this dark. It is going to select all the dark colors, so your product will be available for only these dark colors. Okay, that is good. There are some products, if you want to customize any product, let's say I want to customize this hat, click on that. it is going to give me this option. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger to adjust with the product. So I am going to keep it like this. For a phone case here, this design is not good for phone case. For mugs here, this is good, but I will make it a bit smaller, and that is good. For this tumbler, I am going to make it a bit smaller, that is fine. And if you want, you can just simply leave it default. Sticker magnets are good, stores are good. Click on this, I have read and agree to the terms and condition, etc. Publish it. So it is going to publish in your Teepublic account here. I am trying not to show you my account information here, because then everyone will start copying, but I don't want it. So this is how it is going to look on a t-shirt here. Anyway, and there are some other products will be available for this design, mug, hoodie and sticker, and all the other product that we selected. So this is how you can upload on Teepublic, and this is merged by Amazon. So again, I am going to add those details to it. Okay, so the design is not visible here, but it will show up anyway. So first of all is you can set the price whatever you want. If you are beginner, you can set the price lower. Now right now it will sell for $18.99, and I will get $4.15 for this, for every sale I get. So for a beginner, I will make it like, let's say, $14.99. if I keep the profit margin low, there will be the chance of getting sales, more and more sales, because if the product price is cheaper, people will buy it more, if anyone is interested. Anyway, that's up to you. We need to work on these areas here. So this is the design title area here. For the design title, I'm going to select it. It will not take all the text here, but that is good for gardening. So I'm going to remove some of the text, and then gardening. Okay, I have two more characters left, so I am just going to keep it as it is. Brand is Weekend Forecast with a chance of wine. I am going to keep this as the brand name, and then from here feature bullet 1 and feature bullet 2, I am going to use them. So premium quality print, something with this one, I am going to just put it as the bullet 1, and for this one I am going to put it as bullet 2. But the thing is, okay, so we cannot mention any kind of product. So as you can see, this t-shirt, this is mentioning a t-shirt, so it is showing me this warning. We can use product is ideal for casual. So for the design here, for the rules here, we can forecast gardening with a chance of wine. So gardening is one of the most important text for this listing, and wine is another keyword. So these are the audience I will be attracting, whoever loves doing gardening and they drink wine. So I need to include these two keywords, these two words in my feature bullet and in my description. So in this one, this bullet point 1, this is already included. We can forecast gardening with a chance of wine. So in this one it is not mentioned, so I am going to just put it here, wine, just to include all the details from there. And then for this part, I am going to take this as the description, and this is any reference to product types. So it is somehow it is showing shirt or t-shirt maybe. Okay, so this is t-shirt. I will just remove it, and maybe I have seen a shirt here, this shirt. Okay, this t-shirt, this product, sorry, is a fun way to express passion. Anyway, just keep it like this, and once you are done, okay, so the product should be visible here, but it is not showing up. It is visible here, but it is not showing because I was working on another tab. Okay, so somehow this image is not visible here, but it will be visible soon, and it is showing up here. So I think it's okay. And I have selected some additional colors. All the dark colors I am selecting because it is a design for dark color fabrics. If I select a lighter color like this design will not look good. Also, I cannot select any kind of youth products because this is a design about wine and alcohol. So This is how it is looking right now. I'm selecting one product from here. Again, I put the title here, brand and feature bullets and description, everything. And once I'm satisfied, just click on this publish. It is going to publish my design. It is going to take my listing and it is going to review it. It is going to process that, and if they think it is a good one, they will publish it, and then this design will be live on Amazon. So this is how you can submit your designs on Merge by Amazon, Redbubble and Teepublic like websites. This is all AI generated and we created with Flux AI. So I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you. Now for you, the next step is select a niche like gardening, hiking, camping. In this niche you will find better graphics for with AI. So select niche, create 20 to 30 different designs for each of them. For Amazon, and in Amazon you cannot upload all the designs if you are a beginner, if you don't have that tier. But for other websites like Redbubble and Teepublic, you can upload as much as you want. So create 20 to 30 designs on each niche, then upload them to Redbubble and Teepublic. Then move to another niche, create another 20 and 30 designs for that niche and upload them to the website. If you continue working like this, and if you spend some time to find tags like this with this kind of websites, it will be really helpful and you can start getting some sales from there. So good luck for you, and I hope you will get some success from these tips. And let me know if you want to know anything else about this. I'll try to make another video for you. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.